Under the relentless sun, an ancient wooden bridge stretches across a rushing river, each plank groaning under the weight of a journey. A majestic lion leads the way, his serious gaze hinting at the burden he carries. Behind him, two goats follow, their steps hesitant, while a frightened baby goat trembles, its small voice piercing the air. "This bridge is shaking. What if we fall?" A quick monkey scampers along, attempting to reassure the baby goat, his tone dismissive. "Scaredy cat, we're all together, no one will fall." The lion continues onward, his steady pace unwavering as the rushing river roars beneath them. The group edges forward, each step echoing the delicate balance between courage and fear, hope and uncertainty, under the watchful gaze of the sun. Bathed in sunlight, a peaceful clearing unfolds near a gently flowing river. A colossal elephant rests peacefully under a sprawling tree, its shadow a haven for the weary travelers. The goats nervously shift their hooves, while the baby goat peeks out from behind the lion, wide-eyed with apprehension. The elephant's deep voice rumbles through the clearing. "Well, well, where are you all going?" The lion responds with determination. "We're going to see the queen of the anacondas." In a sun-drenched clearing, the lion stands tall, facing the elephant as tension thickens the air. With unwavering resolve, the lion declares, "She's an old friend. We're going for something important." The elephant hesitates, doubt etched on his face as he challenges. "A friend? Why wouldn't she harm you?" The lion responds with assured conviction. "Friendship is built on trust. Come with us, and you'll see." After a pause, the elephant relents, cautiously agreeing, "All right, I'll go with you. If you trust her, maybe I should too." A fragile alliance forms between the lion and the elephant, setting the stage for an uncertain journey.